The Mapsa Additional Sessions Court on Thursday continued hearing the arguments over the bail applications filed by Luthra brothers in the Birch Fire Tragedy case registered by Anjuna Police. Opposing the bail plea of Luthra brothers, the prosecution contended that being the director of company owning the Birch nightclub, they made structural changes which were illegal. The prosecution further contended that Luthra brothers, in connivance with the Sarpanch Roshan Redkar, forged the document mentioning the house number which was wrong house number, and it has been acknowledged by the High Court in the order rejecting the anticipatory bail application of Roshan Redkar. The prosecution also submitted on record the order of the High Court rejecting the bail plea of Roshan Redkar. The public prosecutor also justified the imposition of section 105 of BNS for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, arguing that Luthra brothers were aware that the structure of Birch is faulty, there is no exit doors in required numbers, still they allowed the firework which caused the fire tragedy. Hence they were aware, still they allowed the firework which amounts to the culpability. The arguments will continue on 27th January.
बर्च अग्निकांडा उपरांत अंडरग्राउंड जाल्ल्या हडफडचो तेन्नाचो सरपंच रोशन रेडकारान स्वता कोर्टान सरेंडर केला. बुधवारा हायकोर्टान ताचो अटकपूर्व जामीन न्हयकारिल्लो. उपरांत रोशन कोर्टामुखार. म्हापशे जेएमएफसी कोर्टान ताका 7 दिसांची पुलीस कस्टडी दिल्या.
Our contention was that they are seeking the custody on an illegal arrest. They cannot arrest me again. कित्याक मॉर्निंग ऑलरेडी अरेस्ट केल्लो म्हाका. आफ्टर सरेंडर करून कोर्टा कडेन that equals to arrest under section 43 and 41 of BNSS. And they were seeking 14 days custody. So judge is considering all this objection, given a 7 days custody for the police custody.
जाल्यार तेन्नाचो बडतर्फ सचिव रघुवीर बागकाराची म्हापशे जेएमएफसी कोर्टान पुलीस कस्टडी 7 दिसांनी वाडयल्या.
With Saurabh Sirodkar in Mapsa, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.